Hello everybody!
Hello everybody!
You guys remember Katie? She is my friend that I went to Paris with in 2018, and she's now here visiting me in Idaho, and it is the best.
It's so fun. I love it.
And last night, what did we do?
We went to Funky Tacos and had some pretty funky tacos.
They're pretty funky. And we rode our e-bikes there.
It was amazing.
It was
I'd never ridden an e-bike before. They're the best.
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy one. They're the best. They're so fun.
So fun. I know. Like immediately she's like, this is awesome.
We went to a speakeasy.
Yeah, but it's secret. You're not supposed to talk about a speakeasy.
Oh, sorry.
It's Prohibition era. We can't talk about it.
Okay, sorry.
But now we're gonna go to a coffee shop and then go to Catherine Albison Park and walk around.
I'm excited.
The end. You look cute. I'm filming you.
Why are you filming like that?
It's just, you're wearing clothes.
The words you sang to me, a modern mystery. The canvas waiting for the color in the morning light. I saw it in a dream. The spaces in between. Our silhouettes forever travel further side by side. What's mine is yours and yours is mine.
So cute.
What's mine is yours and yours is mine.
Hello everyone and welcome to my bathroom. We're in my bathroom right now because we are going to talk about anti-aging. I know. The truth is, when you turn 30, you suddenly start kind of gravitating towards anti-aging products. And you just start being aware of, you know, what your skin looks like and just simple things that you can do to actually improve what your skin ends up looking like 20, 30, 40 years down the line. And one of the biggest things is hydration, actually. So everyone go grab a glass of water. You probably haven't had enough water today. Moisture is incredibly important for an anti-aging skincare routine. And I do want to say that skincare doesn't just stop at your face. I think a lot of us sort of like focus on face skincare products and then we totally neglect the rest of our bodies, and the rest of our bodies also age, and I do think it's important to just be mindful of how we take care of the rest of our skin on the rest of our bodies. This video is sponsored by my favorite skincare company. It's called Osea. You've heard me talk about them many times because they're just like a really high quality company that makes luxurious products that actually work and look really beautiful, and they are all vegan and cruelty free. They're based in Malibu. I really want to highlight their Undaria algae body butter today because it's exactly what we're talking about, an anti-aging skincare routine for your body, not just your face. The Undaria algae body butter is clinically proven to hydrate for 72 hours. If you really want to take advantage of a high quality luxury product like Osea that's just really effective and rich, it's actually like so rich but also fast absorbing, so it's the perfect combo. I really recommend dry brushing. It's this amazing routine I started doing. You've probably heard of it before and you might have heard people like talk about it online. And you're like, why do I need to dry brush? The thing is, it really stimulates all the organs, really energizes you, it like naturally exfoliates. For a good dry brushing routine, you wanna do it before you shower off, and then get out and slather on that delicious, luxurious Undaria algae body butter. If you've never done dry brushing before, you're not just gonna like scrub. There's like a very specific way to do it. So I'm just gonna show you how to do it here. You wanna start at your feet and think about going towards your heart. Like every single brush, you're going towards your heart. So you just start at the bottom of your feet and scrape like a few brushes, and then go to the top of your feet, and then all the way, and you'll see it feels so good. It shouldn't hurt, so go easy on the pressure and just brush all the way up towards your heart, starting at your feet, and then once you stop to your hip, go to the next leg, and then you're gonna use your stomach and go up to your heart, and then you're gonna do your hands and your arms, go up to your shoulders, and then once you get to your shoulders, you'll go down your neck, down your chest to your heart, and you can go down the back of your neck. It just feels really good. I encourage you, especially if you're a mom, even if you're not a mom and you're just feeling really stretched thin, because I know you don't have to be a mom to feel really busy and overwhelmed. Take the time to take care of yourself, because so many of us, especially women, we neglect self-care. And you know what? Self-care looks different for everyone, but I do think that we should be taking care of our skin. It's something that you will be thankful that you did in the future, for sure. So then you're gonna hop in the shower, get out, and then use your Indira Algae Body Butter to just moisturize and feel all of the suppleness. You guys, your skin literally feels transformed after you use this stuff. I know I'm going to incorporate this into a regular routine now, and it is one of my goals. I've been very busy lately, which is why it took me forever to post this video, and it's one of my goals to really slow down and to take more time to take care of myself. And now that we are in a place with seasons, I think I'm gonna be forced to slow down quite a bit, because it's gonna be colder and we're gonna wanna be cozy, and it's just like darker in the mornings and darker in the evenings earlier. And yeah, so it's going to be definitely an adjustment, and I really want to take advantage of the slower season to actually slow down. If you want to get 10% off this beautiful dry brush and Indira Algae Body Butter and all of the amazing products on Osea's website, you can use the link in my description and use my code, which I'm going to put right there. I can't speak highly enough about Osea. They're just an amazing company, and I highly recommend checking them out and taking some extra time for yourself as we slow down, as we move into fall and winter. It's time to go on the bikes. Oh, and the pajama bag. Is that okay? Is this charged? Did we charge it over there? I charged them last night. Be cute. I almost called you Ashley. Be cute, Katie.
Alright.
We only have 2 e-bikes, so Eric is pumping up the non-e-bike that we have, so Katie and I can use the fun ones.
It was kind of stressful over there, though.
You did it and you made it. How would you? Oh my gosh.
Are you crying? My eyes like were watering. I'm like, what's happening to me? I don't know if it's the Lion King music or what.
But I'd say officially our 31st annual Nightglow Spectacular has begun. Hello, Boise. Oh, yeah! Oh, we got our banjos and guitars figured out. Get ready.
pretty.